that is my name. Correcting mistakes, that is my game. If spotting mistakes brings you glee, like and subscribe, you belong with me. Hey grammar lovers and beat droppers, here's Mistake, your girl, turning grammar fails into bangers.
Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does is just tear me down.
Bruno, you broke our hearts with the song, but you also broke grammar. 2 mistakes, 1 heartbreak. Let's fix it before tears start falling. First up, something is missing. The full sentence should be, our song is on the radio, but it doesn't sound the same. Without it, it is just floating, like your song without you. Remember, I, you, we, they, don't. He, she, it, doesn't. So, it don't should be it doesn't. It doesn't. I don't. You don't. It doesn't. But let's be real. Bruno is not writing an essay. He's feeling emotions, not conjunctions. So, next time you're singing along, remember, even the best artists make beautiful mistakes.